Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Inspire 2 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smartband with the iPhone. First you will need to turn on your smartband, and you can do it by pressing and holding the touch sensitive buttons on the sides of the watch or other smartband. We have two buttons, one here and one here, and you can press and hold them together for a couple of seconds to turn on the smartband. You can also plug it into a charger, and once it receives the power, it should turn on automatically. And after you turn on the smartband, you should see this on the screen. Basically, it means we need to download and install the Fitbit application on our iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your iPhone, and once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on the search icon right here and then tap on search bar, type in Fitbit. My bad. Fitbit, and then tap on search. You should see this application on the list, Fitbit Health and Fitness. Tap on it, then tap on the Get button to download and install it. After the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. In the app, you will get the pop-up about the Bluetooth. Tap on OK. And once you're done with the permissions or with the Bluetooth permission, you should see the basically login page. Now you can create a new account if you need to by tapping on Join Fitbit, or you can log in if you have an account. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on Login. Tap right here, enter the email address and password. So give me a couple of seconds. And once you're done entering the password and email, you can tap on Login. And after you log in, you will get a couple more pop-ups about the permissions. This one is for notifications. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the smartband, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. And after permissions, you should see the Today page of the application. Now, tap on the account icon in the top left corner to open the account page, and here you should see the button called Set up a new device. Tap on it. Scroll through the list, find the Inspire 2 on the list, and tap on it to select it. And then tap on Setup. Scroll down, tap on I accept, tap on Next, and the app should start looking for your nearby for your device, and once it finds the device, you will need to enter the code from your smartband, like that. Here we have the app is asking for the permission, but as you can see, we have the another pop-up. So if you see the Bluetooth pairing request, tap on pair. This is required. And once you see the location pop-up or the permission for the location, you can allow it or deny it. And same for the notifications, you can allow it or deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. The location also, I'm gonna allow it, but you can deny it if you want to. And right here we have the tutorial how to use the smartband, or rather how to set up irregular rhythm notification. You can tap on Learn More to read upon how to do it. I'm just gonna tap on Skip, then tap Next, 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 and Next, and Next. And once you're done, you can tap on Finish. Here we can buy a premium account for the Fitbit application. I'm just gonna tap on X to skip it. And once you're done, you should see the Inspire 2 on the list of devices. And you can tap on it. Oh, my bad. You can tap on the device itself to open the device page for it. And also, if you wake up the screen on your device, you will see that the smartband is ready to use. And that's how you pair the smartband with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.